You wake up tired, not because you worked hard, but because you wasted another day. And deep down, you know it. You scroll, you delay, you promise yourself tomorrow. Hours disappear, weeks pass. You watch other people win while you stay the same. Comfort feels good, but it is slowly destroying you. You want discipline, but you avoid discomfort. You want confidence, but you run from effort. You want respect, but your actions don't match your words. That gap is why you feel lost. No one is coming to save you. Not motivation, not luck, not some perfect moment. Your life is exactly the result of what you do every day. Once you accept that, everything changes. The first habit is waking up on time, no matter how you feel. Not when it feels good, when it is hard. This trains your brain to obey you. Discipline starts the moment comfort ends. The second habit is controlling your body. You move it every day. You train, you sweat. Even when your mind says stop, you go one more step. A strong body builds a strong mind. The third habit is cutting distractions without mercy. Your phone, your endless content, your excuses. If it steals your focus, it steals your future. Silence is where discipline grows. The fourth habit is doing one hard thing daily. One task you keep avoiding. You face it head on. You finish it. This builds proof that you are not weak. The fifth habit is tracking your promises. Every promise you break kills your self-respect. Every promise you keep builds trust with yourself. Write it down, follow through. The sixth habit is staying consistent when no one is watching. No applause, no validation, no results yet. This is where most men quit. This is where you separate yourself. At first, nothing changes on the outside, but inside, something shifts. You stop negotiating with weakness. You move even when you do not feel ready. Days turn into weeks. Weeks turn into months. Your posture changes. Your eyes change. Your presence changes. People feel it before you say a word. You become calm under pressure, focused when others panic, disciplined when others collapse. Not because you were special, because you were consistent. This is how undisciplined men become dangerous to their limits. Not loud, not arrogant, controlled, relentless, unrecognizable. But only if you act now. Not later, not tomorrow. Stand up, choose one habit, start today. Your old self is comfortable. Your future self is waiting.